Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the image and its metadata. This matters because Google reads both pixels and text. First, save the file as JPEG or PNG and optimize to keep it under 5 MB. Next, rename the file with relevant keywords separated by hyphens. That helps indexing. Then, create responsive sizes, one around 800 px, another at 1600 px, so pages load fast. Once done, upload the images to your website or image host, and make sure each file is reachable by a direct URL. You now focus on how Google understands the image. Add concise, descriptive alt text, keep it under 125 characters, and include the main keyword naturally. Next, implement schema. Org image object where you provide the image URL, width, height, and a short caption. This signals intent and structure. Also, include every image in an image sitemap or extend your existing sitemap. List one URL per image entry. Once these are live, use Search Console to request indexing so Google can crawl the updates faster. You finish by verifying indexing and monitoring performance. Open Google Search Console and use URL inspection to request indexing for the page and the image URL. This speeds discovery. Then, monitor the performance report to watch impressions, clicks, and average position so you can tweak titles or alt text. If the image doesn't appear, troubleshoot. Ensure robots. TXT isn't blocking the path, confirm there's no noindex header, and validate your sitemap XML for syntax errors. Make a single fix and request reindexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.